State of New California. Notice to all Californians, Grievance 18, May 22nd, 2018. New California is a new state in development, exercising its constitutional right to form from the state of California. The process to form New California is authorized and codified in Article 4, Section 3 and 4 of the United States Constitution. Article 4, Section 3, United States Constitution states, new states may be admitted by the Congress into this union, but no new state shall be formed or erected within the jurisdiction of any other state, nor any state be formed by the junction of two or more states or parts of states without the consent of the legislatures of the states concerned, as well as of the Congress. Statement of intent. The citizens of New California have decided to remedy the abuse of power by the government of California by exercising their right to form a new state provided in the United States Constitution, Article 4, Section 3 and 4. We are determined to live under a state government in the United States of America under the Constitution of the United States. New California Declaration of Independence of January 15, 2018 states, whenever any form of government becomes destructive, it is the right of the people to alter or abolish it and to institute new government. When a long train of abuses and acts to seize and hold the people's power without legal authority and pursuing invariably the same object that clearly demonstrates a design to reduce them under absolute despotism, it is their right, it is their duty to throw off such government and to provide new guards for their future security. So it is the history of the past and present governor and government of California, who have a history of repeated injuries and usurpations, all having in direct object the establishment of a tyranny over the counties of New California and the state of California. Whenever any form of government becomes destructive to these ends, it is the right of the people to seek a constitutional remedy to the abuse of powers. Declaration of Grievance. First Amendment of the United States Constitution states, Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, or abridging the freedom of speech or of the press or of the right of the people peaceably to assemble and to petition the government for a redress of grievances. Therefore, the counties of New California bring forward 40 grievances against the government of California to be announced in public on Tuesday at 11 a.m. each week for 40 weeks. State of New California Grievance 18. Statement of facts. The people of California are suffering from a tyrannical state of government which fails to provide a republican form of governance, enables and supports across its southern border the invasion of the United States of America by illegal foreign nationals, and protects vicious criminals who commit outrageous acts of violence upon the citizens of America, all caused by a government of and for a monoparty system led by a tyrannical dictator. Declaration of Grievance. The United States Constitution, Article 4, Section 4, states in part, the United States shall guarantee to every state in this union a republican form of government, and shall protect each of them against invasion, and on application of the legislature, or of the executive when the legislature cannot be convened, against domestic violence. The current governor and monoparty government encourages and enables the invasion by illegal foreign nationals of the state of California. The invasion of illegal foreign nationals is evidenced in virtually all aspects of the state of California, from education to law enforcement to the economy to the environment. The invasion of the United States to the state of California has been a deliberate construct by the current governor and the monoparty system, which is destroying the sovereignty of California and surrounding states. In rural California, the death of its citizens, destruction of property, and rape of the environment are by foreign nationals who are exploiting the natural resources is all but complete in many of the counties of rural California. Rural California and surrounding states are under siege from foreign invaders who have taken control of the entire rural counties, whose law enforcement authorities are understaffed, ill-equipped, and poorly trained to deal with an invasion of this size and scope. To make matters worse, the lack of support by the state of California to the counties to protect their citizens, property, and the environment has been a deliberate act by the current governor, former Attorney General, and the monoparty system. In 2011, the current communist governor and the former Attorney General, who is now a United States Senator, deliberately and with forethought colluded together to defund one of the United States' premier law enforcement agencies that was the frontline defense against the invasion of international drug cartels and gangs, including MS-13. The California Department of Justice Bureau of Narcotic Enforcement, which was established in 1927, lost over 400 agents through the 2011 defunding and opened the door for the invasion of California's rural counties by illegal foreign nationals. The Bureau operated and managed a variety of programs in its role as a statewide agency involved in enforcing state and federal drug laws, apprehending violent criminals who use illegal weapons in the commission of crimes. The current governor and monoparty government encourages and enables domestic violence against the citizens of the United States living in the state of California by vicious, illegal foreign nationals. The explosion of crime against citizens and the environment in rural California counties has created a reign of terror by illegal foreign nationals that is directly linked to the deliberate defunding of the Bureau of Narcotic Enforcement in 2011. It is clear the current governor and the former Attorney General's decision to imperil the California citizens' lives and property violates Article 4, Section 4 of the United States Constitution. Utilizing Marxist, Leninist, and Maoist revolutionary tactics, the communist California governor, monoparty system, and local government officials support and celebrate these tactics as a means to introduce and subvert all aspects of California government and civil society in an attempt to destroy the state of California and break down the sovereignty of the Union of the United States of America. Acts of secession. Therefore, the California communist government, in conjunction with the communist state executive, instituted wherever the current communist governor has usurped power, has created a reign of terror on the United States citizens living in California with the intent to secede from the United States of America and thus destroy the very union of states which gives us our liberty and freedom. Abdication of authority. Betrayal by the sitting communist governor of California, the monoparty legislature, and local elected officials is evidence of abdication of their responsibility of authority and sovereignty over the state and citizens of California. This concludes these proceedings. New California State, newcaliforniastate.com.